Okay, we're gonna get this pork tenderloin, boneless. We're gonna just season it up a little bit and throw some smoke on it, cook it for a couple hours, and then we'll take it and once it cools down and slice it real nice and thin. Use it for holiday appetizers, whatever you want to do with it. It just comes out really good with cheese and crackers or whatever you want to put it with. Okay, use a little garlic and herb on it. Black Hawaiian salt, just because it's cool. And put some fresh ground pepper on there. Pat that down. In there. Roll it over. And do it again. Grab a different pepper grinder. Pat this side down. All this is olive oil with a little garlic flavoring in it. Kind of give it a little flavor, kind of help it hold the pepper and stuff on it. I'm going to take it. It's a little extra virgin olive oil, some apple cider, just a touch of liquid smoke in it. Inject a little bit in here. All there is. It's ready to go. Just let it sit there and soak up some juice, and we'll get that on the smoker here in a minute.